I am wearing swim trunks today, ish. 1 inch of overhang on a metal roof with low slope. All the water goes right back behind everything and rots the entire world out. That's why you have to have flashing. So we show you how that goes in a moment. La-da-da. It's a cat. See this? I don't think the water's ever went anywhere but the fascia. Soffit panels are screwed in the front only. These are screwed in the front and the back. Yeehaw. Yep. Like, it doesn't make any sense to do that. That is not only useless for you to do, it doesn't add any value to it, and additionally makes it more difficult for the guy that has to come back and fix your terrible work. Actually, I take that back. This ain't even terrible work. This is actually pretty good, except for the fact of the one fatal flaw. No flashing, metal roof overhang is way too short, it's a low pitch roof. So all of this great work and all this strength and all this everything just went right out the window because they paid no attention to water intrusion. 45 nails. 45 in a 16-foot long board. Thank God there weren't 50, or else they might have been able to keep the water out. Best things about when guys use standard lengths in lumbers and build calculations, the cuts are very simple. Check it out. All right, I need 16-1. All right, perfect. Should get a factory edge, I think. Awesome, dig it. Yep. It's relatively square too. Tell me that doesn't look better. Hi, Sean.
Hello.
We got fresh wood. We got the metal put back up, cleaned and straightened up. Let's put the gutter back up. We've cleaned it, freshened it up. All right. There's all those. So this is the Prestige flashing, not drip edge. We didn't get it at Lowe's. This is custom made flashing. It's got about a 45-degree bend here on the end. Goes all the way up into these screws. Lock these guys back in place all the way down the roof. Holds the flashing, holds the roof. That's a chicken dinner. And now the water cannot actually go back behind the gutter into the fascia, and it'll continue like that all the way down. What do you think? Look at that. This gutter can now work as intended for the first time in 5 years. But this is the way to go. Do you see how there's a positive water transfer from the roof sheathing to this flashing metal into the roof, into the gutter trough? That's what you need. This is the way to go. Take care of business. Anyway, I'm gonna call that a chicken dinner. See you on the next go round.